Have you ever walked outside and found your bike looking like this? Have you ever been in a rush to class and found your bike stolen?
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be late for school. Whoever's this is, I'm sorry.
Oh no! Have you ever been late to a date and found your bike replaced with a toy bike for elementary schoolers?
Yeah. Well, this is the best I got, so... Oh, shoot. Hey, sorry I'm late.
If you face these issues before, we have the solution just for you. A quick and easy IoT security system for your bike enabled by a mobile app. But first, on to the introductions.
So you may be wondering, what is the sleek design of this project? So here, secured onto the screws that normally support the water bottle holder, is an enclosure containing electronics, and with a wire coming out of it, which connects via a cable to the ultrasonic range sensor, which is just about 1 inch away from the rear wheel, which can detect whether or not the wheel is present. Inside of the electronics box, which slides off easily, we have the boron particle LTE microcontroller, as well as the GPS module, ultrasonic range sensor's driver board, an accelerometer, and the battery, as well as the antenna that connects to LTE. Additionally, this connects to the physical bike via the screws that normally hold the bike.
One of the sensors that we use is a GPS sensor. This guy tells us when the bike is moved and where the bike is moved to. However, the government is preying on our downfall, and they believe that accurate GPS data is a threat to national security. So they scramble all GPS data. To get around this, our state machine stores the running average of our longitude and latitude values. And when a new value deviates from the average by a certain amount, we can conclude that the bike is moved.
The security system is turned on via the mobile app, which then our state machine enters the security state. If the acceleration is detected, then we enter the check GPS state, where we check if there's a change in the ultrasonic distances, looking at the wheels, or there's a change in the location of the bike. From there, we send a signal via the boron particle to the mobile app, and then we sound our alarm.
For integrating our hardware
And mobile app.
we use the Boron's LTE functionality and webhooks to periodically publish JSON messages to an HTTP to MQTT server. By subscribing to that server from the mobile app, we're able to receive up-to-date sensor data
As it is made available.
and similarly, we're able to send messages from the mobile app to the state machine, telling it whether we want to lock the bike or not. And this helps us both with energy usage and making sure that we don't give a false alarm to the user when they're using their own bike.
Bike.
Meet Alif, a user of Dude, Where's My Bike? On a casual stroll one afternoon, she gets an alert that her bike is in motion, even though she locked it. After quickly signing into the Dude, Where's My Bike mobile app, she gets the current location of her bike and notices that the thief is getting further away from her. Elif tries to see if she can get sight of her bike, but the thief is quick in motion, and the location of the bike continues to update on the mobile app. We went from not knowing how to make a mobile app
to being very comfortable building the components of the Dude Where's My Bike app by using React Native. We even learned some JavaScript in the process.
The user of our mobile app can see where their bike is by logging into their account. If they don't have an account, they can sign up through a sign-up page where they need to provide their device ID. If they forget their password, they can get a new password through the Forgot Password page.
For a more user-friendly interface, the mobile app subscribes to the backend via MQTT to get real-time bike status updates. The app can also publish default sensor values via MQTT to calibrate the system.
Oh my gosh, dude, where's my bike? Let me check my app. He's getting away! No! Okay, the GPS location is stopped and the accelerometer is 0 from the boron MQTT publish. I'm gonna go to the GPS